Is being 34% stronger the real story? Hi guys, welcome to the MedFitness Minute. I was sharing a client's progress report with him after his workout yesterday. He's in his 70s and he has progressed by 34% in his training loads over the last 3 years. So that obviously is good news. But I told him he needs to look at the real story. The real story is to compare that 34% increase to how much of a loss he would have had if he wasn't strength training. Men and women begin to lose strength in our 30s, and every decade, the rate that we become weaker accelerates. So for him, it's a 10% differential. He would have lost 10% of his strength over the last 3 years if he wasn't strength trained. So his real numbers are 44% stronger in 3 years because he's living the strength training lifestyle. A massive difference in functional ability and health.